Yo, what's up? A little more front axle work. I am now going to be installing new axle tube seals. Really important you replace these if you're really deep in here because they're only a couple bucks, and by a couple bucks I mean that's like 12 bucks or something like that. And these things will last for as long as the Haas Scout's on the trail now. So these are Spicer part number 620216. Description: oil seal. Part number 620216. And they are Spicer. So we're going to use a tool that really makes this nice. It is literally an axle seal driving tool. And we're going to put this in here with these new seals, drive them home. And so the way this guy works is thrust bearing, nut, and everything. Slide it in, and it sits inside the other seal location. It sits inside that boss, and you apply pressure by driving the nut this way against the thrust washer, which is the interface to this side. So let's get after it. I'm going to put just a light skim of our motor oil right here, just because this axle had literally about 100 pounds of rust in it. And I should be putting some anti-seize in here, but you know what? The other ones didn't have it, so plug it. Send it. Probably my wife wondering if I'm coming in for bed soon. We're going to go opposite, and we're going to see what happens here. I don't think that's going to work either. There it goes. I'm either bussing, crowd out of that race, or it's going home. We're going to find out. Okay. That's maxed out. So you can see that to get that thing started, I actually reversed it and used the flat end on the seal side against the face to drive it in flush. I'm going to assume that that's good, and we're going to check the other side and take this thing apart. So now we'll take the big side and we'll go flush this way and drive back that way to seal this guy and go into this seal like that. Use that to center it. We're centering inside the machine groove. I'm flush here. thrust spacer is between them. There we go. What could go wrong? There it goes. Run in. There we go. Seated all the way in. Flush. Well, there you got it. The cheap tool off of Amazon for seating these axle seals with a little futzing around works really darn good. This thing is flush all around, just like it's supposed to be. No damage to the seal. Flush all the way around, no damage to the seal. Nice pressed finish here. It's in square all the way in. And there you have it, the tool off of Amazon. Description and link is in the description below. With a little bit of just no instructions and some patience, you can find that this way will seat this seal and drive this way. When you go to turn it around, this way will drive that seal, spreading the case or the seals apart. At any rate, a couple bucks off Amazon, and I don't know how I'd have gotten those in there without this thing. So the wonders of the internet, hope that helps somebody else. Axle seals are super easy. It took like literally, even with messing around with this, I don't know, 7 or 8 minutes. Edited video will tell you. Have a good time working on your rigs. This is Mark, PressFit Productions. Hit subscribe if you want. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks very much.
There you go. Just like that. Stay right there. Stay right there. No, stay right there. Passenger. Passenger. Just like that. Yep. Money. Okay, now I want you to go driver, light. And you're going to start to drop. Slow. Driver. Driver. Driver more. Keep it coming. Yeah, buddy.